Zeratul.
I have pierced the veil of the future and beheld only oblivion. Yet one spark of hope remains. You will hold her life in your hands. And though justice demands that she die for her crimes, only she can save us.
Wait a second. You're talking about Kerrigan. It's been 4 years. You show up out of nowhere.
Time is short. You must understand. The answers you seek lie within. Study it well. The fate of creation hangs in the balance.
Nice to see you too. I've heard of these Ehon crystals before. Supposedly they allow you to relive another person's memories. If Zeratul's uncovered, he was desperate for me to see it too. Well, here goes nothing. I'm pleased to see these things haven't blown up the ship. Yet.
Sir, given the visual similarity between the various pieces, have you considered that they might combine to create a larger, more distinct object?
With everything else going on, Stedman, I couldn't care less what they do. Just that we get paid when we finally hand them over to the Mobius boys.
This is Donnie Vermillion, live from UNN. Tonight, the Zerg invasion. The battle so far. The Terran Dominion is holding firm under Zerg aggression. Our industrial complex has stepped up production on all fronts. Enlistment rates have risen within the penal system, and the Marine Corps is ready to get in the fight. The Zerg won't know what hit them.
Donnie, has there been any word on when we start pushing the aliens back?
Kate, if I revealed that, I'd be giving away vital Dominion secrets.
You think the Zerg watch our broadcast?
I know they do, Kate. I know they do.
Well, you heard it here first, folks. This is Kate Lockwell for UNN.
So now we've got 3 of these artifacts on my ship. When are we supposed to hand these damn things over?
Well, that's gonna be a bit tricky. I hear the Zerg have attacked the Mobius Research Center on Tirador. I don't get it, though. What's the Queen of Blades after? Ain't no artifacts there.
If those eggheads can't hold out till we get there, we may never know. Upload the data to the star map. Looks like we got ourselves a good old-fashioned rescue mission.
Had any visitors lately?
I don't know what you're talking about, Tosh.
Oh, I think you do, James Rayner. Something was on this ship just now. I still smell it on you. Protoss. Interesting.
Whatever you think you know, you just keep it to yourself. I hear you yapping about this, and I'll toss you out the airlock.
We're rocking some serious heavy metal now that we got siege tanks.
Yes, sir. The comforting thunder of the big guns. Well, comforting when they're on our side.
Yeah, these newer tanks have better guns when they're on the move, and reinforced armor.
So long as they still got the range in siege mode, the rest is just gravy. Between siege tanks and bunkers, we can hold the line against just about anything. You ain't gonna believe this, but I just saw Zeratul on the ship.
How much did you have to drink tonight, sir?
He was here, Matt, and he was hurt. On the run from something.
Where is he now, sir?
I don't know, but he ain't on the ship anymore. He gave me an Eon memory crystal, and he was desperate for me to study it. I guess he wants me to see what he's seen.
We still need to access the adjutant we retrieved from Tarsonis. Our old mercenary associate, Colonel Orlin, is an expert in Confederate code decryption. If our intel's right, he should still be based at the Merkhaven at Dead Man's Port. He's not very trustworthy, but he's our best bet of breaking that encryption. Dead Man's Port. It's risky just waiting here with all these mercenaries around. Colonel Orlin's sure taking his time decrypting that adjutant for us.
Yeah, I'm getting a bad feeling about this.
Incoming transmission.
James, Orlan decrypted your adjutant, but he's planning to sell it to the Dominion. Must have been something exciting in there. He wants me to keep you off his back until they arrive.
That's nice, Mira. But why are you telling me all this?
Because I like you and Matthew better than him, of course. Match Orlan's offer, and I will help you take him out instead. He's paying in minerals, so I'll give you the same deal.
Done. Always a pleasure, Mira.
Don't take too long now. If Orlan comes up with the goods first, I will have to side with him. Oh, and say hello to Matthew for me. Ask him why he never calls.
It's gonna be hard to get minerals down there. We'll have to find salvage if we're gonna hire Mira before Orlan does. You think she'll help Orlan, sir?
She's a mercenary. She'll help whoever pays the most.
By the numbers, boys.
All right, boys. We got a deal with Mira Han. Now let's get to work and get that adjutant back.
Better be good. Why not?
Bad news. SCV ready. We hear you.
Pirates have been stripping down ships here for years. It should be pretty easy to collect enough scrap to pay Mira off.
SCV ready.
Been waiting on you.
What's going on? SCV ready.
Not enough.
You want a piece of me, boy?
Add-on. Not enough minerals.
SCV ready.
Not enough minerals.
SCV
Gangway, coming through. Armed and ready.
Incoming transmission.
I left a little present out here for you and Matthew. I never got to give it to him last time you boys were here.
Damn, Jimmy. Are those vulture bikes?
Good eye, Tychus. We can use them to lay mines around our base to hold off Orlin.
Dig it.
Those shredders are constantly producing scrap we can salvage. We should check this area again later.
Wild. Yeah, I read you, sir. Going to be wild.
Been waiting.
How about lending a hand?
Additional supply depots required.
What do you want? Big job, huh? Yo. Jordan. Huh? What's going on? Go, go, go!
Not enough minerals.
SCV ready. I read you. Bad news. SCV ready.
Who wants some?
Yeah, I'm going. What needs killing? Road's calling. Born to be wild. Dig it. No problemo. Oh, is that it?
This better be good.
Yeah, I'm going. Road's calling. Born to be wild. Oh, is that it? Dig it. No problemo. Born to be wild. No problemo.
You want a piece of me, boy?
Road's calling. What needs killing? Dig it. Yeah, I'm going. Oh, is that it? What's going on? Bad news? Huh? What do you want? SCV ready. Go ahead. SCV ready. Yeah, whatever. What's going on? SCV ready. Roger. What needs killing? SCV ready. Ah! Hear me! SCV ready. Oh, that's just great. Yeah. What needs killing? Yeah. I read you, sir. The road's calling. Yeah, I'm going. No problemo. Dig it. Oh, is that it?
Mineral field depleted.
Born to be wild. No problemo. Born to be wild. Yeah, I'm going. Oh, is that it? Dig it. The road's calling. What needs killing? Go ahead. Woohoo! Over.
Mineral field depleted.
I like it. Big job, huh? Jordan.
Mineral field depleted.
What needs killing? I'm waiting. My pleasure. SCV ready. Of course. SCV ready. Victory is ours. Excellent. Not devious. What needs killing? SCV ready. Excellent. My pleasure.
Base is under attack.
I like it. SCV ready. Victory is ours. My pleasure. How devious. SCV ready. Excellent. What needs killing? On the move. Of course. I like it. Ah! You scared me! Huh?
Upgrade complete.
Yep. Sure thing. At the ready. My pleasure. Of course. Excellent. What needs killing? Victory is ours.
Mineral field depleted.
My pleasure. Devious. On the move. Excellent. How devious. I like it. On the move. Of course.
Base is under attack.
Victory is ours. My pleasure. I like it. Victory is ours. What needs killing? How devious. My pleasure.
Vespine geyser exhausted.
What's going on? In the rear with the gear. Bad news? Ah! You scared me! What's on your mind? What's the plan? What needs killing? What? Excellent. Something on your mind. Dig it. I'm waiting. Of course. How devious.
Upgrade.
I like it. My pleasure. What needs killing? Victory.
Base is under attack.
On the move. Excellent. On the move. Excellent. What do you want? What's the plan? My pleasure. How devious. I like it.
Mineral field depleted.
What needs killing? In the rear with the gear. I'm waiting. Victory is ours. Of course. I like it. How devious. Victory is ours. My pleasure. Of course. On the move. Excellent.
All right, Mira. We both know you're ripping me off, but I'm gonna hire you anyway.
My forces are yours, Jim. I'm so glad I got to side with you and Matthew.
Oh, scheming little. I'll show you what happens to double-dealing backstabbers.
On the move. Excellent. What needs killing? My pleasure. How devious. On the move. How devious. I like it. Victory is ours.
Upgrade. Not enough minerals. Mineral field depleted.
I like it. Of course. My pleasure. What's on your mind? Excellent. Victory is ours. What needs killing? Of course. My pleasure.
Upgrade complete.
On the move.
Mineral field depleted.
How devious. Excellent. I like it. What needs killing?
I got a little present headed your way.
Mineral field depleted.
Of course. I like it. My pleasure. Victory is ours. On the move. How devious. Of course. Excellent. What needs killing? My pleasure. Victory is ours. On the move.
Mineral field depleted.
How devious. Excellent.
All right, I surrender. Just take your damn adjutant already.
I ought to do the universe a favor and put you down for them. It's too bad I might need to hire you someday. Mira, do me a favor. Keep him on ice.
You got it, Raynor. I will keep the snake safe and sound for you. I will even do it for free.